Hi children, today our topic Roman numerals. In Roman numerals there are 7 basic symbols. How many basic symbols? 7 basic symbols that are this 1, this number 5, then 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. These are the basic symbols in Roman numerals. Look, 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Then use of these symbols we write Roman numerals according to some rule. Then look here 1, 10, then 100, this thousands are repeated more than, one time means this numbers repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Then for example, this one, if a symbol is repeated, its value is, we add how many times that symbol repeated. For example, look this one symbol 1, look 1 repeated 2 times. What is its value? 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This value of this number is which number? 2. Then look this 10. The symbol of 10 here, how many times repeated? 2 times repeated. What is the value of this number 10? Means 10 is equal to, so how many times 10? 2 times. So 10 add how many times? 2 times. Then 10 plus 10. So this number is which number? 20. Is it clear? If a symbol is repeated, its value is, we add how many times repeated that number. Then next, look here, number, which numbers are not repeated, never repeated number here? 5, 50 and 500. This 5, 50 and 500. 5, 50, 500. These symbols are never repeated. Then next, when we write a symbol of smaller value, we return to the right side of the symbol of the greater value. It means this smaller value add with greater value. For example, this look 1 and 5. This symbol 1 and 5, which is the smaller symbol, smallest value of symbol. Look this one, and greater value of which symbol? 5. So greater value you write, look first, and then smaller value write which side? Right side of the greater value. When we write smaller value, write right side of the greater value. Look, it means this smaller value add with greater value. Is clear? Here which is the greater value? 5 and the smaller value 1. So which number this? 6. Then another example, look, I write this is which number? This is number 50. Then I write 10. Look, compare this symbol, value of the symbol, this 10 and this 50. Here look, this smaller value you write which side? Right side of the greater value. So it's this which number? This number is first number value 50. Then add this 10. So which number is this? This number is 60. Then smaller value written to the right side of the greater value. Then this what is its meaning? This smaller value add with the greater value. Is clear? The next, the same, it's opposite. This smaller value you write to left side of the greater value. Smaller value, symbol of the smaller value we return to the left side of the greater value. Then for example, look this same number. This greater value, this 50. And it's which side? I write it's left side. Look, left side. What is it means? It means, look, this is smaller value subtracted. Symbol of the smaller value subtracted from the symbol of the greater value. Here which is the greater value? This 50 is the greater value and 10 is the smaller value. So 50 minus 10 is equal to which number is this? This number is which number? 40. Is it clear? Then another example, look, I write this which number? 100. It's left side. Look, I write which number? 10. So what is its meaning? Look, this 100 and this 10. Then which side greater values? Left side I write which number? 10. So 10 is, compare these two number, which number is smaller? Then 10 is smaller. So its meaning, this is smallest number subtracted from greatest number. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Or another look, this which number? 5. And its left side I write 1. This which number? 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Is it clear? Then look the symbols. Now this is 5, 50 and 500 never repeated. This number never, these are never repeated number, and this number do not write left side of the greater value. These symbols, look which symbols are 5, 50 and 500. We do not write left side of the greater value because this number not subtracted. Is it clear? The next, this number 1. Number 1 means the symbol of 1 can be subtracted only which number? This 1 subtracted only from 5 and 10. This symbol of 1 can be subtracted only which numbers, which symbols? Means 5 and 10. And this 10 can be subtracted only. 10 can be subtracted only which numbers? 50, 100 and 1000. 50. This 10 subtracted only these numbers from 50, from 100 and from 1000. Is it clear? This rules of Roman numerals. Then base of according to these rules we can write other Roman numerals. Is it clear? Then we know, then Roman numerals, there are basic 7 basic symbols. Then this use of the symbols according to the rule we can write other numbers, Roman numbers. Is it clear? The next, use of bracket. Then use of bracket. Then when we simplify an equation, means when we solve an equation, that equation contain bracket. Then first we solve inside the bracket into single number and do the operation. Then after we do the operation outside according to the sequence of following operations, means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then look here, I write one example. Twelve plus 23 into 10 plus 11. Look, I write an expression. Then how to solve this expression? Look here, this expression contain bracket. So first we solve inside the bracket and this convert into a single number. Look, first solve this, which operation? Addition. So look, 12 plus 23, which number? 12 plus 23 means 35. Then first we solve inside the bracket. Then into 10 plus 11. Then first we solve inside the bracket. Then do the operation outside according to the sequence of which division, then multiplication, then addition, then last subtraction according to this sequence. First division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here look, here this 35 multiply 10 plus 11. So first we do which operation? First here look, division. Then division is not here. Then next multiplication. So here multiplication 35 into 10. 35 into 10 which number? 350. Then next addition. Is it clear? Don't do 10 plus 21 into 35. First not to do this. First if this expression contain division, we do division. Here division is not, then here multiplication. So we multiply the number. Then after addition, then 351 plus 11 is equal to what is its answer? Its answer is 361. Do you understand how to use my use of bracket? Then okay, thank you.